Hello, friends. Welcome to another Gold Weekly Top Down Analysis video. And here we are going to start our analysis with the monthly time frame. So right now we are on the gold monthly time frame, and as we can see, price made this big move to the upside. So as we can see right here, at one point of time, we had this resistance. Then we got a candle close bullish above this resistance, and then we made this big move to the upside. Also, we can see that the last monthly candle close is a doji candle, which basically open and close at the same price. So now this also indicates that the volume going up is decreasing, and we can see some exhaustion in the trend. So in this scenario, we anticipate the price to come down for a pullback, create support, and then continue this bullish momentum. That is something I anticipate on the monthly time frame. Now let's go to a weekly time frame to see what is happening exactly on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that we have this resistance, and there is another resistance, then we have a support, and then there is another support. So now if we get a candle close bullish above this resistance, we know that we have a clean range on the left hand side. So in that scenario, we can anticipate the price to continue going up to the next resistance. That is something we can anticipate. Same way to the downside. If we get a candle close bearish below this support, again, we have clean range on the left hand side. So in that scenario, we can anticipate the price to continue going down to the next support. That is, we can anticipate to the downside. Now let's go to daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have this resistance, and we have this support. Then we have another support right here. Also, we can see that last daily candle closed bearish below this support. Also, we can see that this candle closed right in the middle of the zone. We have a support right here. We have a resistance right here, and this candle closed right in the middle. So, anyways, let's go to a 4 hour time frame to see what is happening on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we know that we had this support at one point of time, which was a very strong support because the price rejected this area multiple times. So we can see here, price rejected this area here. We have rejection here. We have rejection here. Finally, we got this candle close bearish below this support, and accordingly, we made this move to the downside. Now, the next support is right here. So also, same way like on the daily time frame, we can see on the 4 hour, the price is right in the middle of the zone. So to look for selling opportunity, the price should come up maybe to this previous support and resistance area. And if we find some kind of resistance formation in this area, accordingly we can look to take short and target this new low right here. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame to see more details. Now same like on the 4 hour and daily, we are bearish on the 1 hour time frame, where price is moving to the downside and having a bearish structure with lower lows and lower highs. So here we can see that we created a low, lower high, lower low, and also we can see that the volume of the price going down is decreasing because the size of the body of the candles is shrinking, which indicate that the volume going down is decreasing. So definitely the price is bearish, and we already made this big move to the downside. So it's not a good idea to look for selling opportunity now. But the good thing is just wait for a pullback maybe to this previous resistance area or to this resistance area, and then wait for some kind of resistance formation. Once we have a pullback and price create a resistance, we can look for some selling opportunity to not only target this area but to the next support, because below this area we have more clean range on the left hand side as well. Let me show you that. So here we can see that we have more clean range on the left hand side right here. So now let's go to 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we have a little bit more detail as compared to 1 hour time frame. Same like daily 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. The market structure is bearish on the 30-minute time frame as we are making lower lows and lower highs. So we create a low, lower high, lower low. And same like on the 1 hour time frame, the volumes going down is decreasing as the size of the candles is shrinking. So now same as we did on the 1 hour time frame, it's the best to wait for some kind of pullback, maybe to this previous resistance or this previous resistance, and then look for some kind of resistance formation. Once we get a pullback and a strong bearish candle closure somewhere, we can look for selling opportunity to target this new low created by the price in this downtrend. But make sure you are trading this setup only during a high volume time like London session or New York session, and there should be a clean range on the left hand side. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.